We've all faced the tricky quandary, when can you book a meeting that works for everyone, without endless back and forth messages? The solution is the Scheduling Assistant in Teams and Outlook. Click New in the Calendar tab. Add in your attendees' names. Open the Scheduling Assistant, and from here you will see each attendee's availability. Scan the grid to spot a day and time that suits all. The Scheduling Assistant is ideal for team catch-ups, client calls or project discussions where multiple calendars need aligning. Once you've added in all of your meeting details, click Send to confirm. No more scheduling headaches. With Scheduling Assistant, you can find the right time in seconds. Subscribe for more tips to stay organised.